Everybody comes in their name.
Ain't nobody in the crib. I'm about to say. I need to go over here. Come on, nigga, I need you. I think I better line up with him. Not doing it. I got me once already. And Greensboro, when I was first going to the meets, and it was like, I told y'all, I called y'all that one night saying it was feeling like some Grand Theft Auto stuff or some Fast and the Furious stuff. It was him. I saw the difference that day. I said, sheesh. Everything. Hypercars. Everything. I don't even know if we go left or right. I bet you getting. Oh, my seatbelt. I'm geeking. They finna be on my tail in the comments. Z28. Hold on. See, and then when I go pop up sometimes, so I gotta clip that. Oh, he's wild. He got a manual. He's on some other stuff. Are you good, Rue? See, Rue don't know where he at.
James, that's his name.
Damn, that's it. How I forget that?
That company out in Memphis. I don't even know what they make for real.
to get over?
They have no reason. There's like not a car into that curve all the way.
Oh, it's because of bumps. All right, I'll give them that. Oh. They can't clock both of us. Bro, we went through a tollway last time we used, where you used to say? Don't say the city name. Don't say the city name. I just,
Oh.
God.
I didn't know why. It didn't make sense.
I don't know what exit we going to. Where he at? I need him to come on. Smooth little cruise.
Dang. I wish my camera stopped. That's a shot in here.
Like I was doing that just so I could record them.
Yeah.
I was doing it so he can get in front because I don't know what exit he getting off at. Oh, I gotta tell. I done lost my phone.
Look like he getting to the front.
Infinity ain't got no Y on the end, is it? It's an I.
Yeah.
Dang. I was like a dummy, don't I?
That's how you saved his name.
What?
That's how you saved his name
What?
with Infinity.
No, I told one of them to follow the dude with the Infinity because he don't know where he going.
Oh, you texted him.
And I just won't. Dang. Cut that sound. I didn't even do that on purpose. What happened? Cut. Oh, he went better to go to his boys. Where the Infinity at? Over here?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
That's nice.
I'm trying to make sure they don't get over last minute. He the only one I'm concerned about. Cause he can't brake as quick as us. Well, he can, but he got a downshift. Ain't he? See, this is why I need a radar. Cause I don't be knowing why they slowing down.
He got a mean one.
Huh?
He got a mean one in his car.
Oh, a mean one?
Yeah, nice looking, like expensive looking.
Oh. I thought that was a brand. I'm like, I don't know what that is.
No. I just know my other friend. I think he had a cheap one when we installed his. I don't know how much that worked.
They said like you don't get what you pay for. So I'm probably gonna spend like 5, 6, something like that. But they got ones for like ain't near 1,000. I ain't got no every dog road. I just need one who's sitting up here on the side of the road. Oh, what's good, YouTube? I forgot to do my introduction. Y'all see what's going on though. Just a little day out with the guys. Going to Cars and Coffee. I forgot to do my intro. Y'all drop in the comment which car that y'all seen is the cleanest, which one sound the best. Cause we might have seen my future car similar to it. I forgot I had them with me.
I thought you just be doing voiceovers.
Sometimes it's like in the people that I'm like learning from, like studying,
Yeah.
they don't even talk sometimes. Like most of the time, they'll talk in the beginning and they'll be like, all right, thank you, YouTube at the end. And that'll be it.
He said, don't know.
Oh,
Dude, that's why he has his cost like that. Like, wait until everybody good for it.
yeah, I just don't know what exit we going to.
One of these is Mazda's X, right? Jordan Lake, or travel one of them, 273 or 4.
The one thing about this doggone camera is when it died, like it did go fast. Don't do that. And we were supposed to be coming to pick up his boy last time, but I guess he overslept or something. So I don't even know what he drive. This is all CGI and AI. Oh, bruh. It was this person walking down the side of the road yesterday night after I left from getting the car from the house. In the pouring rain, just walking down just like that, just slow. I said, oh man.
Paid off.
No, what? I gotta clip out your face. No. When the clock say 8:01, we need to make a cut. Got it. I swear it was this exit.
Oh, they do say so.
He about to hit down here. People with cars are so funny, bro. Cause they all just say leave. But imagine us out here on bikes, bro. That would be yo, drop it. Let me know if I should get a bike. If you like the video, that means I should get a bike. That's all I'm saying. Cause I need a bike. Uh-oh. Hit me, Timmy. Now, if you would have came with the Triad Mafia niggas, they cars smell so, because they all just, no cats, barely mufflers, like just Corsa Extreme, so it's like they just smell. And I don't think none of them was on E. I think like one or two of them got a tune for E, but I don't think they had it running. But that just smelled crazy, bro. That's a tough picture.
Probably having to switch the mode on this too much.
I don't know how y'all do all that job, bro. And all these buttons on the handle. Yeah, y'all got that. It does sound like good. Here you go. Ain't nothing wrong. Oh, charger. Could have guessed that. Give me another little thumbnail. Just in case. I don't like it. Skip a spot. Once you do it,